Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video, let's just do some quick fixes on our alignment in our authentication screen. We can see that this text is not aligning properly here. Okay, so let's just fix that. So to fix that, we need to go on our suffix, a prefix icon here. So this padding here, let's change this from left, top, right, bottom. So from left we want to be 8.0, and then from top we want to be 12.0, from right we want to be 8.0, and then bottom we also want to be 12.0. so we can put the comma there and then hot restart. So you can see that the alignment now is correct. Okay, that one now looks better. It was looking very awkward. And then the other thing is this icon, it's looking too big again. So let's go back and then let's maybe change this to 35, and then the icon to be 25. Okay, let's hot restart. Yeah, that now looks better. So now with this we complete our login screen UI. Now this looks kind of better. Thank you guys. This was just a quick fix. In the next video we are going to start sending the OTP. Thank you and see you in the next video.